Welcome to the Uralla Show 2022, one of the first shows in Central Northern Group of shows in New South Wales to kick off. It'll be followed by shows at Guyra, Ashford, Glen Innes, Tenterfield, Armidale, Walker, Corindi eventually. So some of the activities here, so as the ring you've just seen, is medieval fighting, some trade stalls down there with food, antique tractors in the background, and there was also antique motorbikes here earlier, as you saw the clip on the 1913 Balmain Precision. Show bags and a quick look around. We have the main pavilion, we'll show you later, and Sideshow Alley. So hit the subscribe button and enjoy the video. Make comments on Uralla Show or any country shows in New South Wales, Australia.